Alright, let's do a little fishing. Yeah, I got one. These are 24 volts here, just trolling along. What do we got out here? That's a little bass. Oh yeah. About 10 inches or so. Little point. See if we can catch us another one here. Where am I drag here? See if we can see him. I don't know. Oh, yeah. Well, that's a keeper. Let's get him in the boat. Yeah, he's about 14. Let's get him in the boat. Oh, that's a nice fish. Yeah. Let's see what he, oh yeah, that's a nice one. Nice bass. Not bad for Hoover. On board the Hootie Owl 1060 Surge. Nice fish. Yeah, I was just pulling a rubber worm there, trolling. He was sitting right there behind that boat. I just slowly went by the boat. On the bottom, he's a good 14, maybe even more. Let's take a measurement on him. Yeah, we don't need to measure him. He's as big as a seat cushion. Oh yeah. Alright, well, let's put him back in there. Trolling around here. Yeah, you see if you can make it on into the water. Yeah, there you go, buddy. Have a good one.